Okay, this activity is Lego Perimeter, and the students are going to find the perimeter of a polygon, and they're going to determine the missing length of a polygon. The materials that you will need for this activity are task cards that have just word problems written on them. Each student will need one Lego base, and each student will need a baggie that has 1 unit Legos and 2 unit Legos. Each unit will represent a centimeter, so the 1 unit Lego will represent 1 centimeter, and the 2 unit Lego will represent 2 centimeters. You'll also need a pen or a pencil, something for writing, and a sheet of paper to keep score. At the top of your piece of paper, you will write your students' names, or just student 1, student 2, all the way across. And then underneath that, throughout the game, whoever finishes will get a tally mark, and that's to keep score. To begin the game, you will put the task cards will go with the writing face down on the table. Each student will get a baggie that has a Lego base plate and several of the 1 unit Legos and also the 2 unit Legos. And then I will write the students' names across the top of the paper. After we have everybody has all of their materials, then I will turn over the first card and demonstrate what I want them to do with the Legos. So I will read the card first. A rectangle has a length of 5 centimeters and a width of 3 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? So I'll put the length is 5 centimeters, which will be 5 units. So I'll put 5 units going down. And the width is 3 centimeters, so I'll put 3 units going across. Because this is a rectangle, the 2 length sides will be the same, and the 2 widths will also be the same. After they have formed the polygon, the rectangle, to find the perimeter, you just add up the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 16 centimeters, or 16 units. I'll then explain that whenever they are putting the Legos on the Lego base, there will be empty corners. And this is because when we are finding the perimeter with these, the perimeter that we're finding is for the rectangle that's formed inside. So after I've demonstrated the first word problem, I will choose another card and have the students listen to the word problem that I read while they work it out with their own Lego base plate and their own Legos. Whoever finishes this second card first will get a tally mark on the score sheet, and then they will get to turn over the next card and read it aloud. The game will continue like this until all of the cards have been worked. And then after all of the cards have been worked, you'll add up the tally scores that are underneath each student's names, and whoever has the most tally marks will be the winner.